I'd like to show you a summons that I had issued through a Peace Commissioner against Mason Hayes and Curran's LLP. Mason Hayes and Curran's LLP is one of the 5th biggest law firms in the state. They employ in and around 250 solicitors, and I'm prosecuting them in the district court for a criminal offence. The offence is section 64, 55 and 56 of the Solicitors Act 1954, when they signed a memorandum of appearance in the body corporate's name, Mason Hayes and Curran's LLP, instead of a practicing solicitor's name. So a solicitor has to sign a memorandum of appearance because they're the ones that go to college. They're an officer of the court. They obtain a qualification and a practicing certificate. Mason Hayes and Curran's LLP is a corporate body. They don't go to college, they don't receive a practicing certificate, and they do not have the legal authority to sign a memorandum of appearance. I laid information to a Peace Commissioner on the 16th day of June 2025, and I swore to the Peace Commissioner that Mason Hayes and Curran's entered an appearance for a particular High Court case, and they implied that they were a solicitor because the memorandum of appearance must be signed by a practicing solicitor, which is then lodged into the central office. So this is just a corporate body trying to use its corporate identity to engage judiciary, and they're being very successful in doing it. They can throw any solicitor into the court, which the solicitor is not on public record, just this limited liability partnership. So it's a corporate structure. So I'm holding them accountable in the courts. One of the 5th, I think they're the 5th biggest law firm in Ireland. And I've no problem doing it because they're absolutely wrong in what they're doing. I signed a statutory declaration of service. All the documents have been recorded now into the district court in Dublin. So that's the Criminal Courts of Justice. I lodged all my documents in on the 15th of July. The first hearing was held on the 21st day of July, and the barrister for Mason Hayes and Curran's tried to assert that the summonses was invalid. These summonses are issued by Peace Commissioners. Peace Commissioners are appointed by the Minister of Justice. These summonses have more authority than a summons that's issued by a clerk of the district court. The premier authority for issuing summonses in Ireland is a district court judge, followed by a Peace Commissioner, followed by a district court clerk. Thankfully, the judge seen through their blatant lie in the court, and scheduled the hearing for the 8th of September. So as a citizen of Ireland, we're entitled to hold these corporate entities and individuals accountable in our courts of law. And we shouldn't be afraid of it, because we can rely on constitutional rights, where these corporate structures have nothing to rely on when it comes to constitutional rights. All they have is cheap tricks, peddling truth for coin and consciences for hires.